Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about an app a lot of you have been asking about NetMirror. It promises to be the ultimate screen mirroring tool for Android, but when you go to the Google Play Store, you cannot find it. So, how do you download it safely, and is it even a good idea? Today I'm going to give you a fast, step by step guide on how to get it on your Android phone and the crucial things you need to know first. The first thing you need to understand is why you cannot find NetMirror on the official Google Play Store. Apps that offer certain features or that are designed to bypass restrictions on content are often not allowed on Google's official App Store. This is a big red flag that you are dealing with an unofficial third party app. That means you'll have to download something called an APK file. This is basically the raw application file for Android. Downloading an APK file comes with a serious warning. You are downloading a file that hasn't been verified by Google. This means there is a risk of a few things: malware and viruses. The file could be loaded with malicious software that can steal your data. Security risks. The app could have vulnerabilities that make your phone easy to hack. Hidden fees. Some unofficial apps will try to charge you for things you didn't ask for. Because of this, you should only download from the official developer website if you can find one, and never from random or suspicious websites. Be cautious. If you have decided to proceed, here's the safe way to do it. Go into your phone settings, then to apps, and find your browser like Chrome. You'll need to go into its settings and allow it to install apps from unknown sources. Do not forget to turn this off later. This time, open your browser and search for NetMirror official download or something similar. You're looking for the developer's official site, not a download aggregator. Once you find a trustworthy source, tap the download button. Your phone will give you a warning. Well, this is normal. Confirm the download. After the download is complete, tap the notification to open the file and install it. If you have any issues, you may need to go to your downloads folder and tap the APK file from there. So there you have it. That's the only way to get the NetMirror app on your Android phone. Just remember to be careful and always download from a reliable source. It is a great tool if you need it, but you have to know the risks before you start.